Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a night black. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels we have 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior, pano sunroof. Come around back. GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of LCs, then regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Come alongside, this comes with the Premium 1 package, which comes with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, an LED logo which appears when you open the door. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition. Also included is the convenience package, which is going to be coming with garage door openers and auto dimming mirrors. Got our media display, rear view backup camera, salt pattern trim, hard keys for media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, 3 cup holders. This GLA 250 has 13,865 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250, check out feldmanimports.com.